thought that we would add a catch, clean, and cook to our adventure.
Fishing day one.
Yeah.
Day one of fall 2024.
You know, you picked a good campground for the summer.
They're fresh.
So if he throws up, I hope you appreciate it.
So it'll be, I think.
Hi, we're Amy and Brandon. Join us as we share our RV adventures in Texas and beyond, DIY projects, and so much more, alongside our 3 sons and 3 dogs. We recently upgraded from our Jayco travel trailer to a Cougar 5th wheel and are loving the extra space.
In 2021, I endured a life-altering, grueling battle with COVID. I was critically ill and not expected to survive, but we trusted that God would defeat those odds for us. Through a 7-month hospitalization, including receiving a double lung transplant, now more than ever, we accept that we are not promised tomorrow. So we're incredibly grateful for this second chance at life, giving glory to God and heartfelt thanks to the many medical teams for their commitments.
We are sharing our journey through transplant life in hopes of inspiring others not to put off living life to its fullest. Please subscribe to our channel to follow our journey and be sure to hit the bell icon for notifications when we release new content. Nice. And the dolphin, we're going to try to eat it. Yay! All right.
He's there. He's a keeper.
All right.
Now they're everywhere on us. Dang dolphins.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like play it out a little bit, maybe get the net. And I see 2 of them like as fast as they can come right at the. That mama and baby were like on a straight line for it.
Yes, sir.
You need a fire extinguisher too?
Fire
Or?
extinguisher,
Okay.
order a whistle.
Yeah, let me get it out of my way.
No worries. Did y'all have any luck?
One.
One little trout. Oh, not little. One trout.
One trout?
Yeah.
An undersized trout.
No! Imagine that. I swear.
You're good. I can see the light. I can see that.
Okay.
Never mind.
Okay.
Put it back.
Is
So,
it fish?
we'll see the fish and fishing licenses as well.
You bet.
We're not in a hurry, so take your time.
All right.
I'm gonna jump in the boat and check that fish real quick.
Come
Okay?
aboard. Can I be one?
Huh?
Ben?
I'll take a look and see what it looks like. What are you doing, bud? What do you measure at?
He's like 15 and a quarter.
We almost never keep anything. In fact, I don't. That's probably the first time we've ever kept anything.
Kept good.
And I was like, you know what? Let's do a catch, clean, kid. And cook.
Heck yeah.
But he didn't.
And just to verify, it's 3 now, right? 15
Yes.
and 20?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Been changing a lot here lately.
It has, and it's going to change again in September.
Really?
Yeah, it'll still be 3, and the size will still be the same. but they're gonna do how they do the drum with the tag.
Oh, okay.
They're gonna do that with the trout.
Really?
So it'll be, I think, 15 to 20, and then the tag I think will be 28. So they're doing it like the drum. Right now it's over 30, yeah, but they're gonna change it to good to the end.
What you need to see on there. I guess. Well, I'm the only thing that's not supposed to be on the boat. Yeah, you too. Y'all stay safe out there.
Thank y'all.
Appreciate y'all. I just knew it when I saw him turn.
I thought about asking them if you could film them and show them why they do what they do, and maybe tomorrow.
So for the first time in a long time, years, we are actually going, we kept a fish, the only fish we caught, 15 and a quarter inch trout, and we're gonna go ahead and clean him and take him home and cook him. Brandon is not a fan of fish, and really neither am I, but I'll eat it. If it's fried, he does okay, otherwise he gags. So we thought that we would add a catch, clean, and cook to our adventure this time, just for y'all. So if he throws up, I hope you appreciate it. I am not going to teach you how to fillet this fish or how to cook it. I am strictly doing an experiment, but I've got these awesome pretzel buns. I have nothing to go with it as far as like a slaw or avocado or any kind of sauces. I am totally winging it. I don't even know if Brandon's gonna be able to eat it, but we're gonna try. I'm going to try to like light fry it. I happen to bring cornbread mix with us, and so I was like, hey, I mean, it's flour and cornmeal, and we got some Tonys to give it a little kick. We're gonna go attempt to clean this fish. Step outside with me, and you should be lucky that you're watching this probably in your air conditioning. Oh, the knife that I found is not sharp, so it's gonna be pretty rough going. If only we had passed the bait shop, it would have a knife. Oh wait, we did. At least 3 of them. Oh well. Okay, so here goes nothing. It got cold.
It got cold.
Alright, fish. There he is. Okay, so I've seen them go from here.
Grab that tail, that skin, just kind of yank that skin back and forth against the knife.
Yeah, I see why a sharp knife is important.
Yeah, sharp knife is very important. Makes it a lot easier.
But we're gonna make it work.
You're doing good. Nice, very nice. Okay. Now then, same thing.
Okay.
Carolyn's very interested in it. Little lady here.
Yeah. She can't squat down for that long. No circulation in my legs.
Check out our sweet dozer.
Alright.
So those are your 2 fillets. Yep, drop them in there. Just let them rest for a second.
As I mentioned before, I'm winging it. In our vows, Brandon agreed to my experimental cooking. As part of our vows,
Yep. It changed texture in a hurry. It's weird. And put a little bit of our cornbread mix on there. We're gonna get some kick with some Tonys. Lots of lemon and garlic.
Yeah, that might be
I'm choking on the coconut oil smoke. That's really good for you, I'm sure. Lots of oil because we're gonna try to bake Brandon out and pretend it's fried.
How's that working out for you?
Super.
Here's our RV park. It's our little campsite. We don't have a neighbor, so we have like a big yard.
That is awesome. I love using coconut oil. It's so sweet and gives you like a buttery tropical taste.
How long are we cooking on each side?
2 or 3 minutes till it's nice and brown and white and flaky in the middle.
Flipped over.
Yeah, just pretend it's chicken, babe. Tastes like chicken.
I don't think so, Tim. White sands, Garden State Park, Demolition Ranch. Shout out to Matt. It's from our hometown, Texas Tech, Charlotte School. Oh yeah, most important stickers. Hit that QR code. Subscribe, like, comment. Tell us you like what we're doing. Tell us what we're doing wrong. Tell us if you don't like us. We're okay with that too.
We are?
Yeah. Can't like everybody in this world.
Yeah. Probably pretty close. You know your people. No stress. I'm gonna taste it. Oh, it's really good. I mean, super salty. Perfect. Crunchy. The cornbread batter worked. Let's see what Brandon thinks. He's stalling. He cleaned the Blackstone. He's washing up. He's stalling.
2 hours later.
Okay, try it out.
Not terrible.
Almost lost it. Yeah, that was impressive. I'm gonna do pickles on mine. I think that sounds tasty. Like a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Alright, fish sandwich. We got our lunch, babe.
I ain't mad at it.
Well, good. It was free.
$100 in fuel to get down here. $75 in fuel in the boat. It's about a $365 fish sandwich.
Well, I mean, if you really want to break it down like that, pretty impressed. Doesn't taste fishy at all to me. Great big bun to disguise it all, too. Mayonnaise pickles works with a slight tartar sauce. It's our first official catch, clean, and cook.
Yep.
And proof that you can use a cornbread mix to put a light batter to crisp up your fish. Coconut oil, work. Very tasty. Tasty meaning I can't taste the fish. Perfect. We hope you enjoyed this adventure and our first catch, clean, and cook. We would love to hear from you in the comments and hope you'll subscribe and come back soon.